What's going on, everybody? Dominic back here with yet another Newpowa video. In today's video, we're going to be going over our 100 watt 12 volt tilt mount kit. So over the course of this video, I'm going to be breaking down the components of the kit, what's included. I'm also going to show you the solar panel setup to the tilt bracket, and I'm going to go over some of its features as well as much more. So stick around and let's crack right into the video. Alright, so this is everything that'll come in the kit. First, to start off with the charge controller, this is our 20 amp PWM charge controller right here. You will also get a 3-foot battery terminal connector. So this would be to the battery. You have an inline fuse right here, and then this would go to your charge controller. Also in this kit, you will get all the wiring that's necessary to run from your solar panel to your charge controller. So this is 20 feet of 10 gauge cable. You will also get your tilt mount right here. Everything included, hardware, instructions, everything you need. And of course, we have your 100 watt solar panel. So let's go ahead and pair the solar panel to the bracket. So this is how your tilt bracket and solar panel should look when everything is all set up. Now when it comes time to adjust your tilt bracket, all you have to do is remove these bolts right here, and you can use any one of these holes on either side to adjust the pitch and the angle. You can also mount this bracket to a wall, allowing you the ability to use multiple mounting options with this tilt bracket. Now this kit is best suited for powering appliances and devices that consume lower amounts of energy, specifically for off-grid applications in boats, trailers, RVs, campers, sheds, and cabin homes. All right, everybody, as we close out this video, I hope you guys learned a little bit more about our 100 watt 12 volt tilt mount kit and everything that it comes with. So if you have any questions, leave them down in our comment section or on our forum page. Link is in the description. Also, if you would like to check out this product for yourself, link will also be in the description. All right, everybody, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And make sure you turn on your notifications for this channel because lots of videos are coming soon. All right, everybody, you already know who it is. This is Dominic from Newpowa, and I'll see you on the next one.